Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use Facebook Messenger. If you're using Facebook and you have installed a Facebook Messenger app and you want to see that how can you use your Facebook Messenger app, so let's see how can you do that. So the very first, you just have to try to install your Facebook Messenger app, and then you have to open your app, and after opening you have to log into your account. So you have to make sure that you're logging into the same account which you have logged in into your Facebook app. So once you have logged into your account, after login, just tap on this chats option, and here you'll get all of your friends with which you can chat or which are available to you for chat. So I haven't any friends here, so I have just single friend. Just tap on that option, and here you just have to send a message to the person. Just tap on this message option here, and you can write message using your keyboard here and then send it by sending this paper plane option. Just tap on paper plane option and the message will be sent. Now for more things you can do here, you can record a voice message. Just tap on your mic option and it will start recording your message. So while recording you can pause your message, or after pausing you can replay your message, or you can delete this by deleting this option. And here just tap on this picture option and you can select picture from the gallery to send to the person. So let's say I'm going to send this one. Just select the picture, then tap on the send option. You can also use this edit option to edit your photo. So after editing you can easily do or send this, or you can also send it as you want photo, or you can tap on this HD option to add HD effects to this picture. Just tap on this view one option and your photo will be viewed only one time. Just tap on send option and your photo will be sent. Now using this camera icon you can record a video or you can take a photo of yourself. And here you have a plus option. Just tap on that and you'll get different options like share a file or your location. Or you can also try to play games with the person, this AI media or meta AI. So using this feature, you can send different things to that person here, or you can also try to make an audio call using this feature, or make a video call using this feature here. Just tap on the person profile, and here you can change the theme or chat theme. You can also select any image, or you can also create your AI theme. So you just have to select anyone from here. So I'm going to select, let's say, this one. Just select that and tap on select option. So your theme will be changed. You can also change this like option. Just tap on profile page and here select quick reaction, and you just have to select the quick reaction which you want to send and it will be set. So now go back and here's the emoji feature. You can also use emojis, or you can also create your own emojis in this section. Just go back once you have done. So in this way you can easily use your Facebook Messenger. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.